Hello, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, chapter 28, Assigning Event Handlers Using Special Methods, part 3, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about how to assign event handlers in JavaScript using the special methods. So in the last two sessions, we learned about how to attach an event using HTML attributes. Also, we learned like how to attach an event using document object model, that is DOM object property. So right now we are going to learn like we are going to attach an event with the help of some special methods. The special methods are add event listener. It's used to add event handlers to the element, and here is the syntax. Add event listener, it takes three parameters: event, handler, and the face. Okay, and if I need to remove the event, if I need to remove the event for the from the element, then I need to make use of this remove event handler event listener method to remove the event handlers, and here is the syntax for that. And using this approach, we can assign more than one event handler to a given event. So right now, without wasting much time, let me jump into Visual Studio Code and let me show you a demo of this. So this is what we done in the last session. Okay, I hope you can see this. So we have a button, and with the help of document object property on mouse over and mouse out, we attach the events to this element. So now let me push this page to the browser and let me show you how it worked there. Okay, here comes the HTML page, and here is my button. When I mouse over on that, the background color is red and the text color is yellow, and when I mouse out, the background color is black and the text color is white. Now how do I achieve that? With the help of, keep in mind, how do I achieve that with the help of this one, that is event handler JavaScript events using the special method. So how can I achieve that? It's very simple. So what I'll do is, right now let me comment these things out, or let me delete it. Okay, I'll just delete this, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make use of special method, that is add event listener. So this takes two parameters. The first is event name, so that is mouse over. So what is the function it has to execute when it is mouse over? The function name is mouse over only. So let me call this, let me end up with semicolon. So let me copy this and let me paste in the next line. Here I'm trying to attach a event to the same button with the help of this ID, and I'm telling is here the event happening is mouse out, and the function is this mouse out. This is the event handler which is going to execute when this event is happened. So let me go back and let me refresh. Now when I mouse over, you can observe the background color is changing and the text color is also changing, and when I mouse out, the same things are happening. But how did we achieve this? We achieved this with the help of add event listener method. Okay, suppose if I need to delete this or remove this event listener, so how can I do that? It's very simple. So what I need to do is I need to just make use of which method, that is remove event listener method. So how do I do that? First what I'll do is let me define a function which does that work. It's very simple. So I'm going to define a function first. So it is, the function name is remove events. So here I'm going to tell like which events which are attached to this button with this ID. So remove event listener. So I'm going to tell like which event it has to remove, that is mouse over, and it has to remove the event handler is this event handler. Semicolon. Let me copy and paste again just to save the time. Mouse over, and this is mouse out, and here is also, this is also the mouse out event handler. Here it is. So what I need to do is I need to attach this to a button. So what I'll do is let me take another button. Okay, it is of type button only, and let the value will be disable the events. Okay, and when should it disable? On click. So I'm making use of HTML attribute on click. On click, this method has to be called remove events. So when I do Control S, so let me add a break line such that it looks good on the web page. Go back and let me refresh. Here you can observe we have two buttons, or else, okay, let me remove this. It comes side by side, I guess. Okay, now observe here. Now when I mouse over, the background color is changing to red and the color of the text is yellow. When I mouse out, the background color is black and the text is submit. Now when I click on this button, okay, these events on mouse over and mouse out should disable. So now when I click that, you can observe here, okay, nothing is happening. Now let me refresh. Okay, now this works fine. Now I'll refresh again, and now I'll refresh this. Now when I click on this disable events, so the two events mouse over and mouse out are disabled. So how did we achieve that? With the help of special methods. They are: to attach an event, we'll make use of add event listener, and to remove an event, I'll make use of remove event listener. So this is how, okay, we are going to attach our event with the help of special methods. They are add event listener and remove event listener. I hope you understood this very clearly. So finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our website. We're on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.